This is Jitendra here from TechPert, and today we are gonna see the overview of how Light Inject provides service lifetime options. And this will be presented by Rajesh Patel, and he has more than 10 years of experience in coding, programming languages, and you can find his email ID and Twitter account, so you can contact him. So, what can we expect from this video? So, first of all, we will verify that in case when we are creating an instance using any DI framework, which Light Inject is one of them, then how can we verify that the instance created is the same or is it creating a different instance? So this is one of the way that we will learn. And the other thing that we'll be learning is specific with this Light Inject, what are the different lifetime available?
Thanks for the Jitendra. Hello friends. So as Jitendra have mentioned, we are going to demo how you can verify the lifetime of instances, and we are taking inject as a DI container. So let me share my screen. So here I have taken simple console application. I have installed a Light Inject DLL using NuGet Manager. I have removed all this extra DLL, and I have created one. We are going to write a code in a same our default program.cs. I have so first in any DI container is we need to register our service. So I have one app service is a DB repository, and the other concrete implementation is iMemory repository. Okay, so let's try to register these services with the DI container. So for that we need to use a generic method register. First we need to provide our abstraction, then its implementation. So here I have registered the service. Now we are going. I am going to create the instance of that services. And I have taken this iService container instance as a static, so I can access in a static method. So for to getting that instance, we have to use guest instance method, again a generic method. And our demo is regarding how we can check the instance are same or not. So I'm going to create one more instance with the different instance name, and how we now we need to verify whether the two instances are same or not. Okay, so there are many ways we can perform instance comparison, but today we are going to use the .NET Framework inbuilt method, and it's available in a object base class. The method name is a get hash code. So just let me copy paste and change the instance name, and now let's run it. So friends, here you can verify the hash code of two different instance of a same service are different. Okay, so if I am going to create a singleton instance of my abstraction, so in Light Inject you can achieve through a overloaded method of a register overloaded method of register method, overloaded functionality of register method. So you need to use per container, okay, per container lifetime. So you can verify it's create a single instance of our concrete in memory register in memory repository class. So to make it clear, just add a constant string so we can now let's rerun. Now you can easily check two hash code of a different instance of our in-memory repository concrete class are same. So now we can 100% sure this is a singleton instance. And if we want to create a default instance on each request, then you just to use a default syntax, okay? But as per our industry's mantra, explicit is better than implicit. So though by default it create a single instance, a new instance on each and every request, but we should make it explicitly, okay? So for that we choose a per request. So here you can verify it, ensure a new instance is created for each request. So explicit is better than implicit. Now let's rerun it. And here you can check on each request it create a different hash code, means a different class instance. So friends, in Light Inject you can verify your service lifetime using overloaded method of register. And so be careful when you register the services. Don't forget to make it their service lifetime explicitly. It provides better performance as per your business use cases. And thank you for watching.